This video is sponsored by Town of Massena, Lewis County Chamber of Commerce, Brookfield Renewable, and the Ranger School in Wanakena, New York.
Open from Victoria Weekend to Labor Day weekend, Westcott Beach State Park is a popular day use and camping park. Its long, sandy beach and grassy fields makes it a great place for families to visit and relax by Lake Ontario. Located in Henderson Bay, its scenic location offers protection from the strong wind and waves. Out of this park's 169 campsites, 83 have access to electricity.
I'm Bill Carr, the Park Manager 1 of the Eastern Lake Ontario Park Complex. The hours of operation, the picnic area is open from sunrise to sunset. The swimming is open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. On the weekends, it's open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. as Saturday and Sunday. Wescott Beach has a boat launch with a marina. We offered overnight dockage. It also has a picnic area. We have two beaches, the North Beach and the South Beach. The South Beach is open only on the weekends. The North Beach is open 7 days a week. We have, rentable areas and pavilions for, family reunions and events.
Westcott Beach has approximately 3 miles of hiking trails, a playground area, and an overlook that provides an elevated view of the park neighboring Lake Ontario. Westcott Beach State Park is part of the East Lake Ontario Park Complex. Sharing the complex with Westcott Beach is Southwick Beach, Robert G. Whaley State Park, Long Point State Park, the Black River Trail, Stony Creek Boat Launch, and the Chameau Boat Launch.